Good evening to all the participants from across the country. As the saying goes, the show must go on. We continue to learn with the help of wonderful technology in this COVID period. Today, the SI College of Higher Education is organizing online webinar on new provisions related to IT return filing and investment awareness. I welcome all the participants, resource persons, Ms. Gayatri Srinivasan, Mr. Ravi Thite, Ms. Trupti Varghese, and Mr. Sudhir Vajpayee, and my dear colleagues from my college and the team which has helped to organize this webinar. Our college is celebrating its 10th year, that is Decennial Year 2020, as we have come a long way with 10 students to over 1500 and growing to be tech savvy. The college firmly believes in our motto, knowledge is power. Our quest for knowledge and excellence has led to build employable professional and with ethical, moral and social values. The college offers programs such as BCom, Banking and Insurance, Bachelor of Management Studies, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, BSc IT, MSc IT, and BMM. The college went for NAC accreditation in 2016-17 and got B plus grade in a short span of 6 years. The college has organized many seminars, conferences, workshops for students and teachers, and its annual cultural event, Sparklers, and annual sports event, Dazzlers, attract huge participations from across Mumbai. Our NSS volunteers received Best NSS Volunteer Award in 2018-19 and also got representation in the State and National Republic Day Parade for the second consecutive year. The college offers short-term courses in Tally, ASP.NET, PHP SQL, Corporate Readiness Program, BFSI sector, and facilitates online NPTEL and SWAYAM courses and IIT Bombay online courses relating to soft skills. The college offers campus placement and internship. Our students are placed in good companies such as Infosys, HDFC Banks, ICICI Bank, and insurance companies, Reliance, Infosys, etc. The college infrastructure is well developed and equipped with good library, over 3,500 books, 3 computer labs, and SI Techlink Center where students and teachers have developed in-house softwares such as eSanchalan for administration and examination, and eGranthalaya, an automated library management system for smooth functioning of our college. Also, we have developed softwares for industry and our physiotherapy college. We also equip teachers with various capacity building programs for their professional growth, which includes awareness of various useful topics such as today's, that is IT returns filing and investment avenues. So today we have knowledgeable and experienced resource persons to guide us in this topic. I hope this session will be helpful to all of you. I thank our principal and management members for providing us the opportunity for organizing this webinar. I also thank all the resource persons and all the participants who have given us such encouraging response. I now call Ms. Babita Madam to introduce our resource persons. Thank you all.
Hello. Good evening, one and all. On behalf of SI College of Higher Education, I, Ms. Babita Nagdev, take this opportunity to introduce the galaxy of intellectuals who have agreed to be the resource person for today's webinar. we have 4 resource person for today's webinar. Our first resource person, Ms. Gayatri Srinivasan Madam. Madam is a commerce graduate and postgraduate from Mumbai University. Madam has completed her chartered accountancy from ICAI in 1996 and began her practice in the same year. She has also completed her certification course on IFRS in June 2011. Ms. Gayatri has 25 years of experience in the profession of taxation and has handled tax returns, assessment and appeals before the tax officials. Our next resource person for the session is Mr. Ravi Thete sir. Sir is working as an insurance consultant since last 12 years. Sir has got so many recognition from well-known insurance companies for his excellent and trustworthy work and also for sharing knowledge about why insurance is our part and parcel of life. Mr. Ravi provides advice and valuable guidance to individuals as well as corporate sector related to insurance. Our third resource person for the webinar is Ms. Tripti Varghese Madam. Madam is a life insurance advisor and currently associated with V Insurance, Life and Wealth. She has been advising people and companies to understand insurance and how it can best help them for their individual needs. Madam's goal is to ensure individuals and companies to secure their life as well as their wealth. For Ms. Tripti, success is to do what is right for her client and taking utmost care of securing the family of the person who believes her and trusts her. Our next resource person for the session is Mr. Sudhir Bajpai. Sir is an MBA in finance from Mumbai University. Sir has an experience of over 22 years in branch operations, accounts and finance sector across diverse organizations, setting up accounts departments in various companies of the groups are some key portfolio managed. Mr. Sudhir has started his own venture in June 2018 by the name SB Associates with special focus on mutual fund, individuals, HNI accounts, writing and taxation, personal finance. Sir has also various investors awareness program. So now I request Gayatri Madam to take over the session. Over to you, Gayatri Madam. Gayatri.
Thank you, Babita ma'am. Thank you so much, Babita. I'll just on my video also. Yeah. A warm welcome to all the participants. Actually, we are very delighted that you could join this webinar under these unique circumstances. Today, we are in a situation where the entire world is under severe pandemic situation, where the world is fighting with an unseen enemy. We are supporting our government and helping them fight this. In this time at home, it is essential that we enhance our knowledge and also extend our help to each other without physically moving out of the house. So what best can be done is this webinar, which we have come to do for you guys. Okay. Now we have our team which just now Babita announced. Before of us, we have decided that we would want to educate people about the new tax provisions, and the best whom we can share is the teachers, the teaching community, who therefore actually we are thrilled to share our knowledge with this community who are instrumental in shaping the future. As I said, we are a team of 4 people, and all of them are in a mission to educate people about how to have a proper financial plan so that when we are well prepared to face situations which is not under your. We are in a mission to educate people that the financial planning, proper investments and tax planning will be the only tool with each and every individual to face dire circumstances, which is right now we are experiencing. Okay, next. Next slide. Yeah. It is just a brief information about the team which just now Babita ma'am introduced us. Okay, next slide, sir. Yeah. Now, let me explain the tax provisions which was announced by Honorable, earlier slide. Yeah. Let me explain the tax provisions which were announced by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her budget, having an effect from the 1st April 2020. From this day, each employee in the country can exercise an option for not claiming deductions under various sections and thereby increasing the cash flow in the hands of the individual. This is possible by paying slightly extra taxes. The person is being relieved of making those compulsory investments, which was giving them these tax incentives. Now, this scheme has to be opted by the employee, giving a declaration to his employer that he is interested in opting for the new scheme, and therefore it is ideal that we understand what is this new scheme so that we can understand it correctly and give an appropriate declaration to our employer. Now let us understand what is in store for us in the new scheme. Next slide, sir, please. Next slide. Yeah. Now we are going to lose all the deductions which we were claiming earlier, which according to the finance minister, we were paying rent, we were paying our insurance policies, we were paying our Mediclaim, which was not out of preference, but it was out of compulsion. So she's saying, okay, fine, if you don't want to pay them, then you might as well not pay them and get the benefit of paying lesser taxes on your total income. Now, this is what is the which the ma'am has taken, finance minister has taken. Now we make investments in our Mediclaim for our child's education, etc., which is basically for our need for them to get properly educated, properly covered for our medical emergencies. But if you don't want to take these benefits, then you can do so by opting for this new scheme. That is what is the idea behind Nirmala ma'am. But I would, we can also conclude by this that at the end of it, my cash flows in my hands will increase, which I will be explaining in the slide. Take the next slide, sir, please. Yeah. Now, if you can look at the tax rates, the new scheme tax rates and the old scheme's tax rates. The rates of the new scheme are slightly lower than the old scheme. Obviously, when you're going to claim the deductions, a slightly higher amount of taxes is what you're going to be paying. And in the new scheme, the tax rates are slightly reduced so that you don't have these deductions. But at the end of it, you pay lesser tax to the government, but you have more cash in your hands. Okay. To explain this, I have taken an example where we will be comparing what is the calculations to be done under the old tax scheme and the new tax scheme. Can you just take to the next slide, please? Yeah. Now, in this slide, you can very clearly understand that I have taken two income regimes. That is, income from salary is what I have considered. Okay, that is, you can say income from salary includes here. I am only talking about the college people. That means it will be remuneration from your college, and then whatever you get for your paper checking, everything included, you are getting an amount of rupees 6 lakhs. Now, that amount, in case of an old regime, if you are going to have the calculations, if I can go through the calculations for you, we have a standard deduction of 50,000, which we can deduct. We have ATC deductions wherein we have 1,50,000 we can invest in the various schemes which is available. Then we have 25,000 for an educational loan which is available. Then 25,000 is for your Mediclaim policies which is available. So all put together, it is 1,50,000 plus another 40,000 which is available for us. That is 1,90,000. And then housing loan interest is also not allowed in the new scheme. So that is also what is I have claimed it in the first case in the old regime. Now, if you see in the new regime, the cash available in the hands of the person is 5,30,940 after paying the taxes. Whereas in the first case, he's got the cash disposable is 1,57,500, which is after investing of rupees 2 lakhs in the loan interest, and then also 1,90,000, which is towards your various investments you are doing. So somewhere around 3,90,000 is what you are investing in the first case in the old regime. Whereas in the new regime, you are not supposed to invest that, but however, that will remain in your hands in the form of 5,940. Now the next income, the same goes again for a 10 lakh income, where you can see that the cash disposable in the hands of the person is nearly half of the amount, like 5,32,400. And whereas in the new regime, I've got 99% of the money which is in my hand, that is 9,22,000. Now, I would like to first understand that if I can further take this, you can see that if I'm going to have this extra cash flow in my hands, then what is that thing which I'm going to do? I might likely to spend them in shopping, buying clothes, or spending it here and there, going for a holiday. I would like to caution here that if you invest this money of 3,90,000 in whichever instruments you are already investing, I think that will help you in such a pandemic situation wherein that 922, if it is gone into the air, I will not have any money which will return back to me when I have such dire situations. So with this, I wish to conclude that every person who has a decent income and has paid taxes to the government should avail these all deductions and avail all the exemptions which is available in the tax laws, so that it can be used by him in situations like we are presently. Now, in our team, that's the reason why we are here, to make these things aware, because that the scheme was announced, and I don't think so ma'am could have anticipated that this pandemic situation would come. Basically, our country has been always a saving promoted country, that everything with the taxation laws also we allow us to do a saving, and so that we save. Now, this was the first time when the finance minister has given an option to a person, probably asking them to understand that what saving is going to benefit them. By not saving, what are they going to lose? So that is the reason why I probably think that this kind of an option is being given to the citizens of the country to understand exactly what is in store for us if they save it. Okay. Now here we would also like to impress upon that we can provide these kind of services to you without any constraints on a geographical distance to achieve their financial stability, plan for their goals, and also get the guidance in achieving them. We can provide services to any part of the world due to technology. That is what we can understand by this webinar right now. And we can also spread our hands and awareness among the people anywhere in the world. We would like to have people to take our services by having their financial plan made, and the money, whatever they are earning, can be properly invested. If in case tomorrow such a kind of a situation arises, then they will have sufficient amount of money and peace of mind in their in this situation, and they can face the situation better than what presently they are having. Now, I would like to introduce my first partner in the group, Mr. Ravi Thete. He's a general insurance consultant and an expert in health insurance. Over to Ravi. Yeah, Ravi.
Hello.
1 minute.
Yes.
Babita ma'am, can you just ask Ravi sir to take it forward from here?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
हॅलो. येस, तुम्ही आता सुरुवात करा. मी तुमचा आवाज टाकतो. तुम्ही कंटिन्यू करा.
असंच कंटिन्यू करू?
येस करा.
सर त्यांचं पीपीटी तुम्ही दाखवा. अजय सर त्यांचं पीपीटी काढा.
Thank you, Gayatri ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello.
1 minute. Ravi sir, you can start.
Yes. Yes, good evening friends. Myself Ravi Balchandra Thete, an insurance consultant my slogan is keep good going, which means our day-to-day life is going on, but it should be fulfilled of good health, which depends on our daily hectic schedule. So far, having a good health and tension-free life, everyone must have to secure their financial needs. The only way to have it, we should invest some money in trusty company. For that purpose, I would like to suggest we should have a good insurance policy. After all, what I think is security should make money. Next slide, please. Ajay sir, next slide.
Yes.
Now, being as a general insurance category, we have mainly there are two types of insurance. One is general insurance, which covers each and everything except life, and another is life insurance, which is covers only life. That Trupti Varghese can help you for that. General insurance have four basic categories. I will explain these four. First is health insurance. Second is accident policy. Third is indemnity, and fourth is vehicle burglary. So first is health insurance. It is an insurance that covers the whole or a part of a risk of a person incurring medical expenses, spreading the risk over number of persons. It includes the insurance for losses from an accident, medical expenses, disability, or accidental death and dismemberment. Second is accidental policy. What is that? Under this insurance, company will provide financial compensation to the person or his family in case of permanent disability or death caused directly and only due to accidents. Indemnity policy is secured protection against a loss, other financial burden. And last one is vehicle, fire, burglary, workman compensation, marine and cyber policy. This insurance policy gives cover for vehicles, fires, etc., which covers both the property risk, that is theft or damage, and the liability risk, that is legal claims arising from accident. Next one. Ajay, next slide, please.
Yes, sir.
Now, why health insurance required? This is a major part of health insurance requirement. There are some, let's take a closer look at the Indian health scenario. There are 22% year-on-year rise of health insurance healthcare expenses. India is said to be diabetes capital the world by 2025, and all. That's all. Many is 40% patients borrow money or sell their assets to cover medical expenses. Above all points shows how medical expenses are increasing. Various types of disease are already there, and new ones such as COVID-19 is disturbing our life. Ajay sir, next slide, please.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Next.
Next slide. No, previous one. Yes. There are standard rules of all medical plans which cover expense covers. It covers three types of expenses. First, pre-hospitalization, that is 60 days before hospitalization, like doctor fees, medicine expenses, and investigation expenses. Second one is hospitalization, 24 hours or a daycare procedure like room rent, as ICU charges, nursing charges, doctor fees, medicine expenses, operation fees. And third one is post-hospitalization. That is 90 days like doctor fees, medicine, and follow-up fees. There are some exclusions in medical policies. First is any disease or illness during first 30 days will not be covered. No waiting period for accident. Another is for first 2 years, exclusions applicable to hernia, piles, fistula, cataract, etc., etc. There are some permanent exclusion also. Some diseases will never cover under policy like dental treatment, psychiatric treatment, intentionally self-injuries, cosmetic treatments, plastic surgery, weight control, etc. That are not eligible to buy any health policy who is having heart attack, cancer, kidney disease, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, etc. Now there is a PED covered after 3 to 4 years. PED means pre-existing disease. If you are taking daily medicine for any disease like blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid, and many more, will be covered after 3 to 4 years as per plans you had selected. Now come to the benefits point. Mediclaim policy has some benefits. That is, number one benefit is no claim bonus. No claim bonus is an amazing benefit to the policyholder, can enjoy on his health insurance. NCB in health insurance is a bonus money added up to 100% in the sum insured for every claim-free year. It is like a reward that policyholder receive for not claiming on his health insurance. Second is air ambulance as per sum insured. An air ambulance is an aircraft which is used when a patient requires emergency health care and has to be transported to medical facility that is located far from them. Third is single standard AC room as per sum insured. Single standard AC room is an individual air conditioned room with attached washroom having telephone and television, all that facilities. And the best benefit is restoration. Restoration is the benefit that allows an insured to reinstate the entire sum insured in the policy year when it gets exhausted due to incurred claims. There shall be automatic restoration of basic sum insured by 100% immediately upon exhaustion of basic sum insured. That is made clear. The such restored sum insured can be utilized for subsequent hospitalization, even for illness, disease for which claim was earlier made. Now, fifth number is every claim-free year health checkup as per sum insured from ₹700 to 5,000. Buyback PED, this is an amazing benefit again, which is available only for comprehensive plan. The prospect has the option to opt for the reduction of waiting period in respect of pre-existing disease from 36 months to 12 months on payment of additional premium. And last one is tax deduction. Individual can get deduction under Section 80D, whereas corporate sector can claim under Section 37A by showing expenses. Next slide, please, Ajay ji. There are some health insurance plans. First is comprehensive plan. Second one is family floater, senior citizen red carpet, diabetes safe, cardiac care, top-up policy, hospital cash. In this way, we are seeing top-up policy in detail. Nowadays, everyone has a Mediclaim policy as your organization. As your organization where you work provides you or might be taken individually, but the sum insured is 50K to 5 lakhs, which is very less amount in present and future situation. We know that for treatment of COVID-19 and other disease such as cancer, so hospital charges were very high. To overcome this problem, company offers you a top-up policy. There is no need to buy a new policy, but you can top up your existing plan. means you can raise your sum insured at low premium. Ajay, next one. Now we move to second segment, that is personal accident policy. These are three benefits: that accidental death cover, accidental disability, it means permanent disability, and temporary disability. Accident policy is the combination of income loss as well as the accidental loss. Lump sum amount will be given to family for accidental death and permanent disability. Due to accidental temporary disability, person can not earn the income, and for this income loss, compensation up to rupees 15,000 per week will be given. This policy is available up to 7 crore. Ajay, next one. Now here is another third segment. It is a personal indemnity policy. Professional indemnity policy insurance is a type of business insurance that covers insured against damage to the third party in respect of errors and omissions. The part of the insured rendering professional services. What it covers? It covers architects and engineers providing design consultancy only, or management consultants, interior decorators, or professionals like CAs, CAs, doctors, brokers, like this. Next, Ajay. Now we move to vehicle, fire, burglary, workman compensation, and all other these policies. In first is vehicle insurance. All of we have a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, of which insurance is mandatory. For our institute, school bus must have insurance policies. Second one is to protect school and college premises as well as the residential premises from fire, burglary, earthquake, food, and terrorism. Third is marine insurance for import and exports. Fourth is workman compensation policy for laborers. And fifth is fifth policy is cyber safe policy. I would explain it. School and college, any other businesses are increasingly dependent on technology. A data breach or cyber attack can lead a host income and damage reputation and legal and regulatory costs. Not to mention the associated business disruption to your school or college. Is your organization at risk? If you hold sensitive personal data such as name, address, and banking information, if you are depend on a computer systems and conduct your school or college business activities, if you have a website for covering above all risk, you need this policy. Ajay, next. Now here are 3 P's, which first one is protects your health. It means if your mind is stable, your health is stable. Otherwise, everything will be disturbed. For mind stabilization and relaxation, your health as well as your belongings should be protected and secured. Second is protects your assets. What it means? When your mind will be stable, you have a secure your health and belongings. Then in case of any uncertainty, the insurance company will take care of your health and belongings. It means there will be no need to breaking FDs, selling gold or selling assets, etc. And third is protects you from setbacks. What it means? Each and every person takes a backup of our WhatsApp, battery backup for our house, or any other backups. He knows that in case of any problem, the backup will support him. Just like that, the general insurance is the backup which protects you from the setback and helps you in your ups and downs. Next slide, please. Friends, as health is wealth, to increase your wealth, please contact me. Thank you once again. Myself, Ravi Balchandra Thete. keep good going. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I will hand over to you.
I request Trupti ma'am to take over the session, please.
Yes. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Trupti madam,
Yeah,
you can start.
yeah, my slide. Yes. Can we have a enlarged one? Click on the slides. Fine. No. This will be good. Shall I start?
Yes.
Yeah. Good evening to the management for giving us this chance to present about the investment awareness, and good evening to all of you present here. Now, today I'll be talking to you about insurance. Now, life insurance doesn't mean that just having a policy. We need to have a proper life cover. So I'll be giving you proper guidelines about what life insurance actually means. Can we go to the next slide, please? Now, as you can see in this slide, the recent pandemic, which has affected us, it has affected us financially as well as mentally, making the mightiest nations bow to it. So you can understand that if we procrastinate certain things, that we'll do it later on. So that may really affect us. And you can see there are uncountable deaths going on. Each and every day we can see these many deaths are going on. So we never know when something drastic can affect us. So why should we wait for that thing? So what we can do is that when we are not prepared for certain uncertainty which is not in our hands, we should do something due to which we can secure our lives. Because of that, which our family will also be secured. So always we should think, it's not that we should be scared of living our life. The only thing is that we should take proper precautions so that we can live a life of peace. Next slide, please. Yeah. Now, here is a very good example. Now, Wimbledon had taken an insurance 17 years back. Every year they used to pay the premium. They never knew that such a thing will come because nobody had thought about it. But due to this year's cancellation, they got a hefty sum of 141 million from the policyholders. So you can just imagine the loss which they faced this year. They got more than that. That why? Because they had thought about it long back. If such a thing occurs, then what we can do? So they just took a good insurance policy and just went on paying for it. If it doesn't happen, well and fine. But if it happens, then what? So this is where insurance plays a very crucial role. Just knowing that ye karna hai is not important. We have to act right now. If somebody is guiding you, the best thing what you can do is that we can sit over, take away our documents, have a look at it, and then think if it is right, then we should do it right now and don't delay that. The next slide, please. Now here comes the proper picture of what I can just explain to you. Now here we can see without life insurance, when if some natural calamity comes, then the whole family is shattered. You can understand, and you can even imagine, and we must have gone through many instances where we have seen families suffering because of lack of money, their homes being taken up by the banks or institution because of non-payment of loans. And whereas in the second example, we can see if the breadwinner is no more, in spite of that, the family is living a decent life. We see nobody can take the role of the person who has gone away, because each person is unique and that person's place cannot be taken by anyone. But we can surely protect the financial loss. That person is bringing a certain amount of money into the family, because of which the things are going on smoothly. And suddenly one fine day we come to know that person is no more, then we can imagine that what goes on in the family. The first thing what they will think is that are kal kya hoga. So this question should not come into the mind of your spouse or your children. For that you have to take a protection plan at the earliest. Next slide. Yeah. Now, as we know, when we say, as I told you before also, when we say insurance, so everybody says, mere paas policy hai, I have 5 policy, I have 10 policies. But how much is the amount we should be there to protect your family? As I told you, ki if I'm not there tomorrow, then my family should not suffer. So, kitna amount hona chahiye insurance apne paas? So, the thumb rule says minimum 10 times of our annual income. Then, if 5 lakhs is our annual income, then you should have an ideal cover of 50 lakhs minimum. But then now insurance policy, they give 15 to 20.
पब्लिश होत आहे ते पण दिसतं ना, त्याच्यामध्ये मला स्लाइड दिसते.
20 times of the amount can be given as a life insurance cover, but at least 10 times should be your ideal insurance cover. So you can,
ह्याचं झालं ना की तुम्ही डायरेक्ट अनाउन्स करा.
So you can just check your amount, what you are having at present, and you can think about going for a proper insurance cover. Next slide, sir. Yeah. Now, as I told you, insurance means proper insurance is called as term plan. Term plan comes as a pure protection plan. We have to pay a very low premium to get it, but we get a very high coverage. And you get a coverage to the age of 75. You have acts which we can attach to it, so that that I'll explain to you in the next slide. There are different riders to enhance the extra protection. I will just give a small example that for a cover of 1 crore, a 31-year-old will have to pay only 10,600 rupees. So you can just get to know that it's a very small amount which you can pay for your family, so that they can live very nicely even if you're not there later on. Next slide, please. Yeah. Now, as I told you about the act, that this is called as Married Women Property Act. Many must not be aware of it. Now, this act, to get this act, we don't have to pay a single paisa more, apart from the amount which I have told you. And as I told you, term plan comes at a rate. Earlier the age, the premium is very low. And as we grow older, the premium gets higher, but still the premium is low compared to other policies. Now, you can attach this act to your policy, due to which the amount in case of our sudden demise, and if we have big liabilities, now for example, if you have a loan for our home, or if you have a other property or any other loans you have, then nobody, nor the bank, nor the institutions, nor the court can take the money from you. The money will go directly to your spouse and your children. So it is ensured that what you have done will be going to the proper beneficiaries of your life. So if when taking a term plan, along with this act, will see to it that your dreams will be fulfilled at any cost. Next slide, sir. Yeah. Now we have different plans, as I've shown you this. So next slide again. Yeah, here I have given an example, small example of the plan which this is called as Kotak Accelerator Plan. Now today, in this time of uncertainty, we all are looking for guaranteed investment. Now this plan will give you money as we have shown in the policy. If you are saying you'll be getting 5 lakh, then definitely you'll be getting 5 lakh after the specific period which I am telling you. Now it will not change even if the bank interest is falling or the market is dipping. Now, for example, if you pay 5,000 per month for a period of 15 years, then from 16th year, in the 16th year, you get an amount of 73,800. Now every year this amount goes on increasing. Now here you can see the 17th year you'll be getting 79,000. Same way every year you get an increase of 7% on that amount. And also at the end of 30th year you get a maturity of 1,53,000. When you see all these sums up to double the amount which you have put in the policy, and right from day one you get a life cover of 6,25,000. Now the beauty of life insurance is that even if you take a term plan, well and fine, as I told you, you pay a very less premium and you get a higher, like in crores you can take a policy, but here you are paying this amount, but from the day one you'll be getting a life cover. Now here you can see right from day one you'll be getting a life cover of 6,25,000. As well as you will be getting investment payouts also. Now from 16th year you will be getting 73,000, 79,000. You will be getting an accumulation of amount which you can use in the later part of the year. So in insurance, you can be rest assured that you'll be getting tax benefit on the amount which you are paying, that is in ATC, you'll be getting the benefit, and any payouts you are receiving thereafter and the maturity and the death benefit will be totally tax free. You don't have to pay any amount on that. So that you have to keep in mind that when you are investing, you can invest for tax benefits also, but that should not be only your criteria. The main thing is that you should be protecting your family. Next slide, sir. Now here is another guaranteed plan, as I told you. Now here if you are paying 5,000 rupees per month for 12 years, I am giving you a limited payment period because people say, "Arey, 30 साल कौन भरेगा, 25 साल कौन भरेगा?" So you pay for only less years. Now suppose an average age over here is 35 or 40. You may be paying till the age of 50 or 55, and then you just have to forget. You'll be reaping the benefits of it later on. So pay for only 12 years or 15 years, and then take the money, keep on getting money later on. Now here from 13th year onwards, you'll be receiving 64,000 flat every year for next 11 years. You pay only for 12 years. 13th year onwards, you get start getting 64,200, and the 23rd year you get a additional lump sum amount of 7,80,000. Now the earlier plan you were getting increased amount and getting a slighter less amount as maturity benefit. Here the maturity benefit is more, so you can choose between your bonds, how you want your amount to be there in the future, and accordingly you can choose your plans. This way, as I told you, paying only for a limited period of 12 years, and you start reaping the benefits later on. And again here, right from day one I am telling you, you'll be getting a life cover of 6,27,000. You pay 5,000 monthly, or you pay 60,000 in a year, and even if the next month or maybe 6 months or next year, if you are no more, our family will be getting this amount of 6,27,000, and that is written on the policy contract. So this is a very important thing which you have to keep in mind. Next slide, sir. Yeah, and here if you want lump sum amounts, like people say, like अब मुझे 15 साल बाद में क्या मिलना है, मुझे एक साथ मिलना है. Okay, we have policies for that also. If you pay 10,000 for 10 years, then the 11th year you get a lump sum amount of 13 lakhs. That again, right from day one, you have a life cover of 13 lakhs. The same thing as I told you, investment tax-free benefits are there. The ATC में मिलेगा, you'll be getting payouts and maturity also. And as I said, now if I'm just giving you an example of 10,000 rupees, now if you invest more, naturally you'll be getting more amount, and the death cover will also be more. So the lesson what we learn from this is that begin early. So you start receiving early. The more delay you do, the more later you'll be getting the money. Next slide, sir. And we have plans. If you want to invest in markets also, you can invest in markets too by through insurance. Here you get insurance cover along with the money which you have invested. Right from day one you get insurance cover of 8 to 10 times of what you have invested, and there are riders. Same. The plan will be same. Only thing is that you will be investing in the market. Along with that, you get an added benefit of insurance cover. Next, sir. Now, our slogan is that हम हैं हमेशा. हमेशा हम आपके साथ है। जब आपको तकलीफ होगी आप एक फोन कॉल कीजिए, हम आपके साथ रहेंगे। टू फॉर योर चाइल्ड एजुकेशन, आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू फॉर योर चाइल्ड एजुकेशन, फॉर योर children's marriage planning, to maximize your wealth through ULIPs and all. And main thing is that if you want guaranteed savings, we can guide you for that. And all these things will cover up for your saving. You can also do some plans for your employees if the corporates or the education institutions want. And above all, the main criteria is that you are protecting your loved ones. Next slide, sir. Our strength, we ensure, we see to it that we give the best solutions for your needs, because we believe that your wealth should be put at the right place. Now, the first thing is that in insurance, documentation is the first priority, because only if you give all the information properly, then in times of unforeseen circumstances, that amount can go to your family. If there is any wrong information given to the insurance company, then the payouts will not be given. So we guide for that, so that all the things will are in proper place. And I'm also an associate with Kotak Group, so that gives a proper an added benefit to me, because I have a good rapport with the office, which gives a added benefit of increasing the customer satisfaction. And as I said, I have a good knowledge of protection of different plans. Like the basic thing is that when we start our financial planning, the first and foremost thing is going for a term plan. So we'll be guiding you through the proper channel. Finally, the onus is on the customer, of course. Next slide, sir. Here you can see life insurance is a simple answer. I'll just read it to one of life's most difficult question. Will my family be financially secure when I die? Now, if you ask this question, just close your eyes and ask this question, you'll get a proper answer. And if your mind is answering your question, please see to it that you're taking a proper life cover. And I can know that many of the people may not be knowing about term plan, because most of the time when we think only about investment. But uske alawa bhi ek cheez hai, that is called as term insurance. So planning for the future is very important, because life is uncertain, and in such times we should not procrastinate the most important thing of protecting our life, because many lives are dependent on us. So please don't procrastinate. Next slide, sir. So your family security is just a signature away, and I am just a phone call away at We Insure Life and Wealth. Next slide, sir. You can contact me. My number is there, and my mail ID is there. And I always believe that protection is as important as life. If you are alive, protection should be there with you, and we'll be glad to protect you and your family for your savings as well as your investment. Thank you so much for being there today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now I request Sudhir sir to please take over the session. Sudhir sir, please start with the session.
Good evening, friends. I hope you all are gone through all the necessary, all the investment allocation has been properly explained by Mr. Ravi sir and Ms. Trupti. And taxation part is we have to consider, which has already been covered by by Gayatri. Now see, we all are working for the money, that for sure. And what if how we can make the creation of the wealth? How we can make the creation of the wealth? By putting money to work. When we work for the money, we work and then we get the money. And if we don't put our money to work, we cannot create the wealth. We only earning money is not enough. How the money is going to protect you when you are not going to work? Insurance is always there to protect you when you are not there. But what happened when you have some expenses about your marriage, about your children, about your children's schooling, so about your retirement, about your vacation, everything. So how the creation of wealth in all stages of life, you require some sort of money. So when you are there with the small amount of money, how we can do that? That we now, let's begin the journey of the wealth creation. Next slide, please. See, we never have to. Now everybody is working. You all are working. Now you are working as an employee or something. But you know, keep looking at this, the way the things are moving, the way the things are becoming costly and costly. You don't have to depend on only one source of income. It does not mean, I'm not saying that you have to work for 3 or 4 companies. No, not at all. I'm saying when you are working for the money, you put your money to work so that it can create the passive source of income. Other source of income, when like means you have to put asset allocation, proper do asset allocation. You means like we have in our food, we have all the vitamins, proteins, all the things which are there. We cannot eat one simple dal chapati for the entire rest of the life, and which will never fulfill the requirement of our body. The same thing, your financial, if you want to be financial healthy, you have to, the asset allocation is the very primary source. And that primary source, if you don't put, suppose you put directly only in the FD. Now you see last from 2000, 2001 and 2020, the rate of interest has drastically, when you used to get it 18%, now it has been 4% or 5%. And when you have to understand, the more and more the income, the size of the economy will grow. Mark my word, the interest rate is going to come down, and be prepared for that. We have seen for last 60 days, we have seen so much drastic change in the interest rate now, from where the one time the FD was going to give 18%, was 14 or 13, now it's hardly giving 5 or 6%. So what are the things what we have to do? We have to create the other source of income by putting in different instruments for and making all the three. How can you create the wealth? Only three ways. There is only no shortcut. I'm talking about the legitimate. I'm not talking about the all legitimate, illegal other things, which is not a part of the my topic. This is purely how I can generate with my proper legitimate activity. For that only three and this rule is applicable in all spheres of your life, whether it's your personal life, whether it's your working life, or whether it's your investment. 3 cardinal rule, that is, invest early, invest regularly, and invest for long term. You have some short-term goals, depend upon what type of financial goal you are having. My financial goal, I'm a 50-year young chap, so my financial goal must be different from the other chap who is just at 18 or 20 or 31. Every person has if suppose a girl is a 25 or 26-year girl, and she is planning to get married, and she has to plan. Her financial goal will be completely different as compared to my financial goal. Completely, a person like the financial goal of Mr. Mukesh Ambani is completely different. But that is as per his risk appetite. My financial goal, my risk appetite is completely different from the other. So the third rule, the final rule: never go with the voice. Be wise investor. Don't go that अरे उसका ऐसा हो गया तो मेरा भी ऐसा बनेगा. No. What type of, when you entered in the market, what risk appetite you are having, how much invest you can do it, what market rate he has invested, you without knowing, you just compare what type of return he got it, and then when we do the good or wrong selection of the asset allocation. Now what we have to do, you have to first create the financial goal. For what reason you are investing? Just Trupti has invested in so and so, and she made huge money. I cannot make it without knowing what type of asset she has put in and when she has put in. And just hearing from somebody else, I cannot make that goal. So your goal should be smart. That is specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time related. Suppose if I have now want to plan for, say, for my retirement, say for 75, I'm already 51-year young chap. So what will I have? Only 21, and the person, so now the Trupti is suppose say 22-year girl, and her retirement plan is, she has a huge potential. She has still 38 years. I'm a 51 year. I have only 9 years. So the specific measurable time related, it depend upon the person to person. Just don't go with the noise. And what we have to now, the correct way, we have to, we Indians generally, we the investment is the optional thing. Little bit shift. Now we have to learn the change in the paradigm shift in our investment culture. That is, we generally what used to do, what we earn as a salary minus expenses and minus investment. Completely incorrect. Please change that habit, and trust me, if you just simple follow the formula, you will make a huge money. Huge money. Never be under, don't be under this idea that if I have certain big money, then only I can I can generate the wealth. Absolutely wrong. Even with the small amount, Marathi mein, I don't know how many people bund bund karke sagar banta hai. I am this is the way you can create the wealth. Only one thing, first whatever the salary has come in, minus investment, and then compromise on your expenses, and trust me, with this amount you can create the wealth for your lifetime, and 100% it is workable. Please shift it. Next slide please. See now how can I choose my what type of investment instrument I should do that? You have to remember this thing. What is that? The rule of 70. Rule of 70 means the 70 divided by, say, inflation rate. Inflation, say my rate of inflation is 7%. So I will get a number of years, say 10 years. 70 divided by 7 equal to 10 years. It means my inflation rate. That means if I have say 10 lakh rupees in my account, after 10 years, the value of my 10 lakh rupees automatically reduced by half. That's why government is always try to reduce the inflation rate. That means if my inflation is 5 years, so my amount of value of money will get reduced by 50% in 14 years. And how can I defeat this inflation rate? Next slide please. How can I choose? How can I defeat my inflation rate? So you have to divide the rule of 72. 72 divided by the rate of interest. The investment is, all the investment instrument is providing you. Suppose now FD is providing you 6%. That means 72 divided by 6%. That means your money is going to double in 12 years. So you have to have inflation rule of 70. Suppose my inflation is 10 years, so my money is going to say 7%. So my value of money is going to reduce by 50% in 10. So I have to see that money is to be double either below 10 years. That means, say now what all the investment instrument this will help you to choose the right allocation of the investment. How can I choose that? Next slide please. So now here one of the way of choosing the asset allocation is a vast topic, but here due to the time constraint, I am concentrating only on the mutual fund. Mutual fund as an industry, if you look at the huge industry, the amount of the money the world is the putting is amazing. We can say we are just entering into the field of the mutual fund industry. Even though mutual fund industry in India started 93, 25 years old the industry is, but you can see the AMU, the size of the entire Indian industry of mutual fund is only 350 billion. And if you look at the one of the topmost mutual fund industry of the US is having a 7,430 billion, only one company of US. So we are not even the very low. We have a huge potential in the mutual fund industry. Don't worry about the current scenario. Up and down market is going to happen. This is what mutual fund you have to capture. You have to capture all the volatility. Volatility means up and down, and you can create the wealth. When market is low, you get more units. That's why you keep invested. I say keep invested for the long duration. Risk appetite should be more. Even your market is up and down, if you keep investing, you will certainly going to get huge money for the long duration. Next slide, please. See, I'm just going to explain you with say 6,000 rupees a month, 6,000 rupees a month. How your long duration, how can you make the money? Say suppose I invested 6,000 rupees a month in mutual fund. That I will explain you in the next topic. How can I select the small cap, large cap, mid cap? There's a certain criteria. If I invest 6,000 rupees a month and I'm assuming that my ROI, rate of interest, is 12%. So if you invested for 20 years, so you invest 14.4 lakh and you get a return of 40.7 lakhs. Put together, you get 55.19. I'm just explaining how the mutual fund industry works, the effect of compounding and the effect of compounding, how really it works. Suppose you increase the investment by another only 10 years, says another 6,000, say 6,000 rupees a month. You, instead of 14.4 lakh, you invest 21.60, but the amount you are going to get the return from 40.8 lakhs to 1.63 CR. So put together, you get 1.85 CR for only the 6,000 rupees. 6,000 now, this amount, don't get confused. This is your current value and you are talking about the future value. Don't forget about the inflation and the rule of 70 and rule of 72. And you can say, if I am joining, if you look at the picture, the one person is the thin person. If he just joining the gym, he cannot become the person, the well-built person. It takes time to make your wealth creation healthy. You have to keep invested in your money also. Give some time. It's like a tree. It exactly work like a tree. If you implant a tree, the tree will not grow immediately or not give the fruit. Or why the mutual fund? Why the mutual fund? You can redeem at any time. You can stop anytime. You can partial withdraw as per your requirement. It is like purely you decide. You are the CEO of your investment. Don't give the right to anybody. I am the advisor. I will always help you, but you have to take your decision, and what time you put your money to work for you. It can and the only solution is that the right asset allocation. You have to consider the taxation part. For that, now the Gayatri has rightly said, the government has now maturing yourself. See, now we are entering very soon, by 8 or 10 years, you will be India will not be considered as the most developing. We're certainly going to be in the developed nation. And once you are developed nation, the government is not going to the spoon feeding like we have last 70 years we have did it. Ki aisa karo, if you remember your taxation part, initially the government has put in, you have to invest here only. The government slowly removed it. It's your money. I'm giving you 150 wherever you want to decide, either in one instrument or two instrument, you decide. Now the government is telling you, giving the option. You are maturing itself. You decide. It's your money. What you want to do? Whether and the cash flow, giving cash flow in your hand. What you want to do? See, whether you want to invest for future, it's fine. If you don't want to invest in future, it's your life. It's you decide. You are, because the money is in your hand. And right allocation, you have to decide as per your risk appetite and risk your and what type of amount you looking for your future plan. Next slide, please. And this is one of the another way of doing the replica of the ELSS. Actually, it worked like the PPF. The PPF is now, yesterday we have seen the PPF is now giving only 7.1%. The ELSS is lock-in for 3 years, a lock-in period for 3 years, and it exactly work after the like other mutual fund. Only that इसमें एक ही problem, इसमें ये है कि it is ATC deduction. Only mutual fund which has a ATC deduction in your ATC plan. Otherwise, it works exactly like the other. It is the, if you are investing 1.5 lakh in the mutual fund, I will suggest keep 75%, you 50% you invest in PPF and 50% you go in the ELSS, and see the balance. The one will give less, one will give more. You will always be the above the rate of good return you are going to get it. Next slide, please. And why we ask you which type of mutual fund you should select. See, this is our 17 parameter. Because of the 17 parameter, what is the there are so many mutual fund companies, AMCs are available, like Sundaram, like Nippon, DSP, Franklin, L&T, Access, Kotak Mutual Fund, and the HDFC Mutual Fund. All these are, so you are confused which, and out of that, large cap, mid cap, small cap, hybrid fund, equity fund, balanced fund, debt fund. That debt fund I'm not touching here. I'm purely talking about the equity fund. So there are certain parameters which we have filtered. What is the size of the AMU? What is the asset under management of that company is producing? If the AMC is handling less than 1,000 crore, we never recommend. What is the expense ratio of that? Because the 1,000, once you cross the 1,000 crore, the expense ratio is less. So the more benefit to the client. And there are, what are the risk grade, what are the risk return for last 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 10 para year, what type of return they have provided, what is the fund manager, whether the fund manager is keep changing, continuously changing or not, whether there are more than one fund manager. Suppose if I'm not there, so who is going to handle? So there we are, and that what is the scheme style, what are the scheme book value, what are the standard deviation. There are certain 17 parameters we keep changing on every month. Last day of the month, by the 7th of the month, we keep changing. There is any drastic change in the fund value, immediately we switch to the other if there is some problem. So this is the way we we recommend our client to choose what is the best among the available in the market. Next slide, please. I hope the mutual fund, I always say mutual fund is sahi hai, but if you don't have patience, आपके लिए बिल्कुल नहीं है. If you're looking for the 1 or 2 years, absolutely I will recommend you stay away from the market, because first you have to understand the risk, because there are 17 to 13 types of risk: financial risk, investment risk, foreign exchange risk, political risk, so many risks. But if you understand, you have the patience in long duration. If you invested for more than 7 years, trust me, this is my journey. I have made I have decent risk return I have made myself. So this is all from my side. And the taxation part, as we already know, the more the money government is giving you, just to make you aware of, you become the CEO of your own finance. Just by Sudhir is saying, Trupti is saying, Ravi is saying, don't invest it here. Ask 100 questions, because the money is yours. You first, just because somebody is invested, he made the money, don't go do that. You are going to lose money. But if you plan properly, you understand what is the scheme, first learn and then earn. Otherwise, people are just want to earn more, and there you lose the money. And because market is up and down, this is the features of the in personal life also. We have so many up and down. It does not mean we keep fighting as a spouse, as a married life. We keep fighting half of the life, we keep fighting only. But it does not mean we get divorced immediately. But we put together in hand, and we in long duration, it always gives the best part of our life. Just staying together. When we have a part in family life, when we stay together with our family life, we have one of the best memories of our life. The same thing, if you stay invested, whichever asset allocation you are going to get the amazing amazing the wealth creation is, and that money is going to, and enjoy with the money when you are working for the whole life. Why not? When I'm dying, so we have the other product which will take care of your family. But when you are there, why not? When you are going to enjoy the money, your whole life you cannot work like a slog with yourself. Enjoy with with what you have doing that. So this is from my side. I hope this is thank you very much for giving us wonderful.
Sudhir sir, और दो slide है. Just push it.
Yeah. Just next slide, please. See, this is the what we are. We have the wonderful all the so amazing team we have. all sphere of the life. One is the expert in taxation, group insurance, mediclaim insurance, general insurance, life term insurance, mutual fund, everything. So what we are doing it, we will be sharing our format of collecting information from your side. Which will give you the correct tax planning and the financial planning, which will help you to generate wealth, looking from not only just, we cannot avoid the taxation part. Suppose if I invest in some good amount of investment, but the taxation part, if I ignore, the half of the chunk or the major chunk will go if you don't plan the properly. So we have the expertise in, and we have the support. Fantastic. Gayatri has a wisdom. She has a personified person in the industry. No need, you type the Google, you will see about the Gayatri, who is she. And the same manner, Trupti is amazing person in the insurance industry. Ravi sir, the name itself Ravi, that means he enlightened the world. Ravi means Surya. He will definitely put the darkness of your life will be covered. He will remove your darkness from the insurance part of the perspective, and with whatever the best I can guide you about the mutual fund. And we all have a, why we are together, we are different, life we are scattered, we never came together, we are recently came together. Why? Because our intention and contention is matching. That means we want to serve the people with their good, because the money belongs to you, not to us. We will only guide you. With this intention, we have a common goal, that we want to give the best to the people. We respect your money, not money. Our part is something different, but you should be, and this is the reason why we are came together. And we have a wonderful Gayatri is I think we are lucky that we are associated with, that Gayatri is with us, and she allow us to work with her. So we can you can rely on our the taxation part. She will fantastically, and we all together team, we are the best. I can tell you only about this. So I hope this will suffice everybody's as far as the finance, and this is the time you think about it. And thank you very much for giving us a wonderful opportunity. I think next slide, please.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you, Sudhir sir.
Thank you so much. If any question, we are over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now we will start with the question answer sessions. First questions are for Gayatri madam.
Okay.
First question is, if anyone earns from tuition income, which head is used for ITR filing?
The head used would be, ma'am, income from other sources. If that person is actually teaching as well as he is doing this tuition activity, then it will be income from other sources. But if he is he's having a coaching class and he is running that coaching class, then it will be income from businessman.
Okay. Another question also for you, Gayatri ma'am.
Yeah.
Old or new regime, which would be better for a person who does not have a housing loan or educational loan or no tuition fees benefits?
Okay. As I in my presentation also I said, if the person doesn't have a housing loan, if he doesn't have an educational loan, not a problem, but he needs to have at least minimum of his investments for his insurance. There should be a mediclaim, because if I pay a premium of rupees 25,000, I will have some good amount of coverage for my health issues. Then I will also have it for my family, my dependents who are there, my parents if it is there, and my children. Then in case I need that medical benefit, then it is better that I get invested. That's what we clearly again said in case of that last slide of Sudhir sir. We wish to have the details of the person individually, and it will be proper for us to guide that person individually, because each person has got the different what you call resources of income, and also have a different financial goals. Like let us take an example. Suppose I am a person who has just initially started in my career, starting to earn my money. Like for example, I'm a 26-year-old person. I have just started my remuneration, and abhi mera wo around 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs mera income hai. So uska jo financial planning hoga, उसमें जो उसको रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, दैट विल बी उसका पेरेंट्स का हेल्थ को उसको केयर लेना है, देन ही विल हैव हिज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स टू बी डन कि बाबा कल को वो शादी करेगा तो उसको पैसे कैसे सेव करने हैं. So his goals would be different from a 48-year-old person like me who wants to have now उसका जब ये सब जिम्मेदारी खत्म हो गया, now my जिम्मेदारी would be towards my children. So what insurance policy would benefit my child so that I can see that he is getting educated? What is my investment to be there so that I can have some amount of money when my child is going to get married so that I can spend that money for his marriage. So the goals of an individual will differ depending upon what lifespan he is right now. So that is the reason why we said we are going to share this form with each one of you so that you can fill that up and give it to us, and then we can guide you accordingly. Because there cannot be any general guidance which can be given for an individual.
Okay.
I hope
Thank
I
you,
have
ma'am.
answered that question.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Next question is for Ravi sir.
Yeah.
Ravi sir, is any refund in terms of maturity period when no claim till death? Is any refund in terms of maturity period when no claim till death? Ravi sir, this is for you. Hello.
I think
Should I repeat the question, sir?
Actually, I'm not audible.
Now you are audible, sir.
Okay, audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Madam, please ask the question now.
Is any refund in terms of maturity period when no claim till death?
No, there is no maturity in mediclaim.
Okay.
This is a security policy, and security under security there is no maturity. Only the thing is your continuation benefits running on, and whenever you claim, company didn't ask anything that because of your old policyholder,
Okay.
and the policy is lifelong renewable.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Term period.
Okay, sir. Trupti ma'am, next question is for you.
Yes.
Trupti ma'am,
Yeah.
is it good to continue in long-term investment like that of Birla's Income Assured Plan or ICICI's Wealth Builder, etc. at this point of time?
Can I know if that is an insurance plan only? Now see, there are different companies have different insurance plans. Okay, as per their portfolio and their actuaries. Now actuaries build up the insurance plans according to their investments and all. So I am an insurance advisor of Kotak. Now different plans have different investment criteria and different payouts also, and maturity benefit. So it's up to you, I can say. But as the plan which I have showed you, even those are giving very good returns and very good maturity benefits. And I, as an advisor, I can say like I can advise you for proper documentation. As I said now, not only investing is important. The main thing is that we need to have proper documentation so that in God forbid if something happens to us tomorrow, the amount should go to your family. It's not only about selling a policy. We see to it that if you are investing, that amount should go to your family in times of uncertain circumstances, and by God's grace, if you are alive to enjoy the benefits, nothing like it. So it's about it, because there are 24 insurance companies in India with LIC. So all are having different plans. So like mutual fund, as Sudhir ji ne bataya, there are many companies, different stocks and all that. So har ek ka performance alag hota hai. So it depends on your this thing. But Kotak is well ahead, and the best thing what I can tell you is that each insurance company has to tie up with a foreign company to set up a business in India, whereas Kotak has taken over the whole stake, and it is 100% Indian company. So you can be proud of being an Indian, and as our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has said, like promote Indian products. So you can always promote an Indian company.
Yes, ma'am. Another question for you, ma'am. Which type of documents are required to get claim amount in case of accidental death?
Okay, so
Which
now,
type of documents are
yeah.
required?
So now for any type of death, be it accidental, natural, or any other calamities also, we have a death form is there. And if in case of accidental death, the Panchanama is required, FIR of the police is required. All those documents will be all those things will be done by the advisor only. The people, we can understand, always we can think that in such times the grieved family will not be in a position to run around for the documentation and all that. So we take care of all the documentation. I have done a claim of a person who didn't have a policy paper in their hand. His father had taken a policy, but he was not aware of it. So they came to office, and actually we processed their claim in a span of 15 days without having a policy document. We guided them and we told them all the proper procedure. They did it in time, and in a month's time the amount was credited to their account. So the main thing is that the family should be aware that the policy document is there. If not there, also we can do an affidavit and we can claim the amount. And as such, in case of hospitalization, the hospital papers we need, the cause of death has to be known. Now there are certain exclusions in life insurance also. For the first 2 years, suicide money is not paid. Okay, and as I said, if we hold back certain things, like if a person has a dreadful disease like cancer or maybe a heart disease which may cause death, but if we hide it, okay, and then if that causes death, and in the hospital papers and there, if we find that is the cause of death, then the company may reject the policy. So papers required is hospital papers, and in case of accidental death, we need the FIR and the Panchanama copies and all that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Next questions are for Sudhir sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sudhir sir, one question is that we see that women are earning and they are aware about many things, but when it comes to investment, they are not very confident. So in that case, what tips you would give them to be confident in the field of investment?
See, first of all, I agree. This is the common thing which why the mindset has become like that. Ki earlier, if you look at ki everything, the investment is taken either by the husband or by the father. So that mindset, and they never wanted to learn. Even so, when you are earning, when you are putting your effort, so why not you become aware of it? What type of investment instrument you are putting your money? You understand ki what is your financial goal. See, now we have to accept it ki they are the two important pillar of the house, and she is an independent woman. She is not dependent upon the earlier कि मैं मेरा वो father देख लेंगे, मेरे वो पति परमेश्वर है वो देख लेंगे. That we have to come out of that. You have to understand कि your money, your future, what is thing. Now you see, practically we have to see that कि because of that independent, it's very not digest by the Indian male. And we have seen कि now so many things are the lifestyle changing. People are not ready to accept कि my wife is, they should be known by their wife. अरे ये मेरा income. Now I'm dealing with so many young girls, the working girls. Now they want to be very secure. Let me know this is my mutual fund and it should be in your name. First you have to decide, suppose something goes wrong, so who is going to protect me? The money is going to protect you. You have to first financially secured. Don't depend. See, your husband is always there, your father is always there, but why you have to depend on other when you are earning? So be first CEO of your own finance. Take the control of, and I think women, we don't have to say anything. They are already half of the 50% male are भले वो बाहर जाके बोलते नहीं है, बट सब डरते हैं कि घर में अगर दूसरा भी कुछ अगर उनको कुछ लेना भी रहेगा तो फोन करते हैं 2 किलो बटाटा लूं या 2.5 किलो लूं. तो when they can ask, the depend upon the wife cannot depend. They can take control of their finance and they have to first. I always, मेरा तो बहुत, now I'm changing. I see the drastic change. Women, the girls are taking control. They decide where they want to. They just inform their husband, I am doing this. That's it. And when the things are going good, it's a great. But things go wrong, who is going to protect you? You have to be protected by your own money. So when you have the money, husband will protect you, husband will give respect, children will give respect. And never ever do the blunder that पति परमेश्वर है, मेरा बेटा मेरा वंश चलाएगा, मेरे बेटा मोरा मत. Don't do that. Always put your first name. Let it be. Let them understand you are the king of your own kingdom. Don't allow them enter into territory where you become the slave. The way the Britishers had done it, they came by doing the trade to territory and they captured the territory. Don't do the mistake. Otherwise, you will be slave.
Yes, sir. Thank you for motivating words, sir. Another question for you. In mutual funds right now, the value of portfolio has gone down due to the current scenario. Do I have to worry about the current investment, or should I invest more right now as I will get more units?
Super. Great opportunity. When you have the long-term financial goal, don't stop it. If you can capture the more, but don't capture in a direct, put it, suppose if you want to invest 5,000, invest 1,000 in trenches. Don't put in a one basket immediately, because you know next 7 to 8 months will be very volatility. You have to capture that volatility. So don't, yes, when there is a fear, you should be greedy. You should be greedy by capturing more units. It will certainly right approach for the longer great wealth creation. 110%. I have not stopped. I am still continuing with my all SIPs.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now we come to the close of our question answer sessions. On behalf of SI College of Higher Education, now I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks. I thank Gayatri ma'am for accepting our invitation and giving her valuable time and covering new tax rates and showing the tax calculations as per old and new tax regimes. Thank you very much, ma'am. I thank Ravi Tete sir for giving detailed overview of general insurance. Sir, I agree with the 3 P's of general insurance. That is, it protects your health, it protects your assets, and protects you from setbacks. Thank you very much, sir. I thank Trupti Varghese madam for giving her valuable time and giving insights into life insurance schemes. Thank you, madam, for motivating words about life insurance, that hum hai hamesha as the life is uncertain. Thank you, ma'am. I thank Sudhir Bajpai sir for covering different investment alternatives for wealth creation. Sir has rightly pointed out that we need to follow 3 rules in our life. That is, invest early, invest regularly, be wise investor. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank all the participants for joining our webinar. I thank our college management. I thank our principal, Dr. Padmaja Arvind, who is the motivating factor behind all the activities in our college. I thank our IQAC coordinator, Mrs. Ranjana Malgi. I thank Mr. Ajay Purvo for technical assistance in this webinar. I thank one and all. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, one announcement. All the participants are requested to fill the feedback form. The feedback form will be put in the group number 1, 2, and 3 on WhatsApp group, and it will be open for 10 minutes only. So please fill the feedback form which is there in the WhatsApp group. The form will be open only for 10 minutes for those who have not filled the form yet. The form is not opening in your mobile, but the form is opening on the laptop. So the link is also available in the chat box and also on the WhatsApp group for 10 minutes. I request all the participants to fill the feedback form for generating the certificates. Thank you all. It was a very wonderful session. All the resource person, I thank all of you to give such innovative, crisp, and very good information about investment avenues and income tax. Very, very nice webinar, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the
opportunity.
take care and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.